Welcome to our in-depth review of the UUJHIKXD grid-tie hybrid solar inverter. This 3.6 kW unit is designed for 24-volt systems and features a robust MPPT charge controller rated at 120A. One of its standout features is the maximum PV input power of 6,200 watts at up to 500-volt DC, which allows for significant solar array expansion. The inverter delivers pure sine wave output at 220 volts, 50-60 Hz, making it compatible with most household appliances. It also includes isolation transformers for enhanced safety and reliability. In this video, we'll test the inverter's performance under various loads, examine its efficiency, and discuss its hybrid functionality, meaning it can work both with the grid and as a standalone unit. We'll also walk through the installation process, highlighting key wiring considerations. The user interface is straightforward, with an LCD screen showing system status. We'll compare it to similar inverters in its class, noting that the UUJHIKXD offers a compelling balance of power and features at a competitive price. If you're looking to reduce your electricity bills or go off-grid, this inverter might be a great choice. Stay tuned for our final verdict and recommendations.